Hi, I'm Patty Klein, Hamlin's Dean of Students, and I'd like to thank you for taking time to learn more about the resources that are in place to support your student. This video will include information about Hamlin's Counseling and Health Services Office, Dining Services, Disability Resources, Public Safety, the Dean of Students Office, and the Student Success Area. Let's start with our Counseling and Health Services. It's a combined center offering a full-service clinic and personal counseling. The office is located in the lower level of Manor Hall. Hussein Rajput is the Director of Counseling Services, and along with 3 additional full-time PhD licensed psychologists and a PhD postdoctoral fellow, they provide individual, couples, and group counseling sessions. Counseling Services also has a consulting psychiatrist on campus twice a month for appointments. The majority of their counselors spend their time in individual sessions with students or across the campus with other student organizations. If your student is currently seeing a counselor or a psychologist and is moving to St. Paul, it's a good idea to have an appointment set up before arriving on campus. All appointments are free with no copays and services are confidential. Jody Metz is the Director of our Health Services. The staff has a visiting physician, 2 physician assistants, a medical administrative assistant, and a campus nurse. Health Services provide services similar to a general practice clinic. Students can make appointments for exams as well as have evaluation and treatment of illnesses and injuries. The clinic provides acute and preventative resources and care, including full women's health services. Students are required to have insurance, and the office staff can provide information about the Hamlin insurance available to students. There is an opt-out of this requirement if your student is covered by another policy. Also, students pay a health fee at no costs and no deductible for appointments. There is a small fee for lab work and prescriptions that students can choose to bill their insurance or student accounts. Again, let me help you understand that students are required to have insurance, and Hamlin provides the opportunity for Hamlin's insurance. If students have other insurances, they can opt out of the Hamlin insurance plan through Piperline. Moving to dining services, Ed Kreitzman and his staff provide quality meals and services across the campus. If your student has a food allergy or dietary requirements, please contact the director, Ed Kreitzman, at the number above to talk over the phone or meet in person to discuss their needs. All new students have a meal plan. On-campus first year and sophomores have the All-Access plan. This means that students have unlimited meals at Bishop's Bistro, our full-service buffet-style venue, serving meals from 7:30 in the morning till 7:30 at night, Monday through Thursday, and on Fridays and Saturdays just a little earlier. They close at 6:30. In addition to unlimited meals, the students have $400 in DB each semester. Commuter students have a required $100 of declining balance, referred to as DB, to use on campus. All of the 4 dining locations on campus, the Bishop Bistro, again the buffet all-access option where meals are used, or DB can be used. The other DB locations are the Late Night Piper Grill, Starbucks, and Subway. We also have a convenience store on campus called Leo's Corner. We encourage all community members to use DB at all of the campus dining locations. By using DB, students will not pay taxes on purchases, and there are discounts at the various operations. DB associated with dining plans carries over from fall to spring, but is removed from student accounts at the end of the academic year. DB purchased outside of a dining plan always rolls over from year to year. Moving to Disability Resources, Steve Anderson is our director and works to provide equal access to all community members to all of the university's classes and programs. He coordinates and provides reasonable accommodations to students, coordinates and creates accessibility learning environments, and promotes self-determination on the part of students served by the office. Disability Resources also assists students with temporary disabilities such as concussions or other injuries. Mel Heikkinen is the Director of Public Safety and works with her staff to provide a safe academic, working, and living environment for the entire campus community. The main office and dispatch is located in Soren Hall. Public Safety also operates the Anderson Front Desk. The public safety staff coordinates the Hamlin Alert System that sends texts and emails to all of our students and employees about emergency weather closings and other critical incidences around campus. The system is tested at the beginning of each semester to ensure that all community members have updated their cell phone information. Students can log into the alert system through Piperline. Parking on campus is also the responsibility of public safety. All students should register their vehicles with public safety, and if they wish to park on campus, stop by the Anderson front desk to purchase a parking permit. Permits are issued each semester for students. Public safety also offers walking escorts on campus and limited driving escorts. Contact the office again if you have any questions. The Dean of Students staff includes myself, Patty Klein, Javier Gutierrez, Carlos Sneed, and Shelley Burton. Collectively, our most important job is to be a resource and advocate to our students. We work to provide a warm and welcoming environment where students and their parents can get questions answered and receive assistance in resolving concerns or problems. We coordinate the Early Alert program, which brings together multiple offices across the campus to identify and assist students who may be struggling in classes or other aspects of campus life. We work to provide the student resources and support services. We also coordinate the textbook rental program through the bookstore. All students' textbooks and required software is included in their textbook rental fee, which is included in your billing statement. Students simply stop by the bookstore to pick up their books at the beginning of the term and return their textbooks at the end of the term. The Dean of Students office offers assistance to students who have emergency needs. We have emergency loan programs and other grants available to assist students. Parents and students, as a reminder, if you have any questions about Hamlin, we are a great office to start with. If we can't answer your question or provide the services needed, we will work directly with you to provide additional assistance or support. The Center for Academic Success and Achievement is located on the lower level of Bush Library. The center includes academic advising and academic success. Academic advising is led by Katie Adams, and additional staff members include Lynn, Kathy, and Dustin. They seek to empower students to make effective educational choices based on their multidimensional and diverse lives and vocational goals. They help students foster self-advocacy and decision-making skills and identify resources and opportunities to support their success, while also supporting their faculty advisors in addressing students' needs. Academic advising can answer questions and help students feel comfortable making decisions regarding their course selection, Hamlin curriculum, or the Hamlin Plan as they know it, major selection, educational and career goals, graduation, and other academic topics. They provide students the opportunity to take their education into their own hands and are available as resources to guide them along the way. The Center for Academic Success and Achievement is led by Lisa Nordine. Additional academic success staff include Rob, Hillary, and Kathy. Academic Success provides tutoring and academic skills assistance for students. The center provides tutoring resources. Tutoring is free and available for a large range of subjects. Learn how to get tutoring assistance and learn how to become a tutor. Tutoring is also available days, nights, and evenings, drop-ins, and by appointment. Students can also meet with staff for tips to improve time management, exam prep, note-taking, oral communication, listening, or other essential academic skills. And finally, the Writing and Communication Center is a part of CASA. They offer free writing and communication support through scheduled appointments with trained consultants. In closing, all of the offices and services of the university are here to support you and your student in their overall success. If at any time you have a question or a concern, please do not hesitate to contact us. And as a reminder, the Dean of Students office is a great place to start with any questions for you or your students.